how to fix Facebook app sound problem on your device. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you fix the problem like Facebook app sound problem on your device. So let's get started. First, you'll have to open Facebook with your account. After you open Facebook, at the bottom right, tap on menu. From menu, you'll have to scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. From here, tap on settings. And from settings and privacy section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option media. From media section, at the first one sounds, make sure that you have toggle on the options like in-app sounds. After you turn on it, your problem should be fixed. Or you can also directly on the options like autoplay whenever you are using cellular data or Wi-Fi. So simply you can as usual check this on and go the options like video, start with sound, and after you turn on all the settings from here, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just uninstall the Facebook application. After you uninstall the Facebook application, you'll have to just reinstall that from App Store or Play Store. After you reinstall that application and relog in, your problem should be fixed. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.